Hey, welcome back to JP Street and Performance. We're on episode, what is this, 8?
8, I believe it's 8, on the Carolina Vaydor kit.
Yep, the Vaydor build.
So today I think our main focus is to try to get the cage to roughly set down on the body. What are we going to do today?
Well, we're sitting on this to celebrate the fact that we're about to chop it off.
Yeah.
This whole area is going to get chopped.
Yeah, I think that's the last main frame section we need to cut. I'm going to focus on getting the last strip of the windshield out of there and getting the A-pillars cut down to size while he focuses on the rear of the car. And if everything goes smoothly, we're going to have a
roll cage
set on here today.
And then we can loosely fit the body, just set it on top and see how it's looking.
Yep, start taking some measurements. Stay tuned, you guys. All right, front glass is completely off. Oscillating blade works really good for this, you guys. And then we marked it here to cut, but we're gonna leave it up here. We need to cut the other side down a little bit, but we're gonna see where exactly the cage sits, and then we'll hack off what we need and we'll leave the remainder. Since this is nice and thick, I'd like to keep as much of this as possible for reinforcements.
All right, we got these layers off. We're gonna clean up a little bit, and then it's time to test the roll cage.
Move this camera over here. All right. All right, let's get this body moved off and over. We'll just set it right here for now in front of the doors. Pretty light, just move some stuff. I think if we grab from the wheel well on the door.
Yeah.
Past the cage.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Oh, yeah.
All right, here's the cage.
Woo.
So now
Look
you
at
get
how
these pieces out.
pretty.
Get this piece out of the cage right here. Hold that.
Okay.
And then
And we can. Do you want me to get this off too, or no?
yeah, just cut that bad boy off there. All right, and then we'll.
Right.
You got a marker?
Somewhere around here. I set it down and I don't remember where it's at now.
Okay. Just because we might need a mark where we're gonna have to cut, you know.
Yeah. Oh, right here.
Okay, just keep it in pocket for now. What I'll have you do is go ahead and get in front of the front bar. We're gonna go down past the car so you can step in.
Okay.
And then we'll bring it back to the front.
You got it.
Luckily, this thing is pretty light. Okay, go ahead and step over everything.
Okay.
All right. This needs to come forward. So go ahead and get out real quick.
Okay.
There you go. That bar sits where those two bolts are. See those two bolts?
Yeah.
So that's where we need to go with it, basically. Needs to come. Okay, so we are gonna have to clear. So all this has to be cleared out.
Okay.
Actually, shit, we're almost
there.
See this?
Yeah.
We're not, where we drew our marks is right.
Just right.
So we'll cut that out.
Oh, I gotta
this-
get Mia to look at this.
This looks good. This goes where the seat belt bracket is, so we need to go.
Oh, hold on just a second.
Yeah, you're fine.
That's a bad bitch. She's almost perfect. We gotta chop
So
some of this.
what we'll do is right here, we'll stay on top of this,
Okay.
and we're just gonna hack straight out.
Straight out,
Get rid
okay.
of those completely.
All this
Yep.
needs to go. Okay.
Yeah, but we have to keep this one. So just
Yeah,
make
so
sure,
right up top.
right up top,
above
all the way out, so the whole piece comes off.
Okay.
And then that'll let us drop down, which will sit us. I mean, we're about right where we need to be already.
it. Okay.
So that'll let
And
us.
then are we gonna build onto this? So
That
there's-
actually,
or
we'll have to see where it sits because I think
Okay.
it welds to this.
okay, cool.
So we may end up having to notch it out and make it a little stronger.
She's
but
so low.
I know.
like-
It's all the windshield you get.
Oh my god, dude, that's wild.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a god. 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 I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that Watch me cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly, never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady, look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy, I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.
All right, you ready?
Yep. All right. We are
Sitting pretty.
sitting pretty, so we need to
Bring it forward.
we need to cut this.
Okay.
Um,
Want to save it for later, or do you want to do it right now?
no, let's do it right now.
Might as well.
Yeah, we'll just fucking cut.
Maybe you need a Sharpie?
Yeah. Like this. I'll have you cut this real quick.
You got it. And then when we chop that, this is gonna come down forward a little more.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be just right.
Okay, I am going to have you cut from there across to there. I will have to put the cage off one more time. Ready?
Ready?
Yep. Okay, grab the cutter.
Well, that's about it for the roll cage. What we wanted to do was be meticulous with cutting so that we didn't have to cut too far. It's a lot easier to take layers off little by little than to have to weld on and add more material. But that's what we're looking at right now. We've got a couple little spots where we want to hit later, but yeah.
Yeah, so that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching this episode. Next time we'll be kind of just test fitting the body on the roll cage and kind of getting everything squared up, and maybe get the roll cage actually tacked in place so it's a permanent structure in the vehicle. Thanks for watching, guys.
They call me a